In the previous class, we were discussing about the development of nervous system, and we have knowledge about the neural tube and the neural crest. The neural tube, as you know, extends from the cranial end of primitive nerve to the caudal end of procaudal plate. The cranial part of the neural tube expands and forms three vesicles. These are the three vesicles. The caudal part remains tubular. The caudal part forms the spinal cord, and the cranial part, they form the three vesicles, and these three vesicles are known as frozen cephalon. The most cranial is frozen cephalon. Next to it is the mesencephalon, and then the rhombencephalon. Now, in this neural tube, a number of bends appear, and these bends appear due to the unequal development of the neural tube and also due to the formation of embryonic folds. There are two folds, concave ventrally. Concave ventrally. First fold is known as midbrain. Flexor. Midbrain flexor. This is in the region of the midbrain, and due to the appearance of this flexor, the forebrain portion, the frozen cephalon, bends ventrally, cephalic to the notochord and the primitive gut. The other one is known as cervical flexor. Cervical flexor. The cervical flexor is at the junction of the rhombencephalon and the spinal cord. These two flexors are concave ventrally. The third flexor is concave dorsally. Concave dorsally. This is known as pontine flexor. Pontine flexor, and pontine flexor is in the region of the pons. Now, after the appearance of the flexors or the bends in the neural tube, it divides transversely. The frozen cephalon divides into two parts. The frozen cephalon divides into two parts. These are the two parts of frozen cephalon. The cranial most is known as salient cephalon. And this part is the diencephalon. Salient cephalon and diencephalon. The mesencephalon remains as such. The rhombencephalon divides into two parts. The mesencephalon and myelencephalon. Then comes the spinal cord. This divides into 5 regions. This is mesencephalon. And each of these regions has got a cavity. And these cavities are continuous with each other, and finally it becomes continuous with the central canal of the spinal cord. The rhombencephalon. What is the future of the rhombencephalon? You know, the rhombencephalon is divided into two parts. The myelencephalon, most commonly, cranial to edge is the mesencephalon. And the constriction just caudal to the mesencephalon, this region, is known as isthmus rhombencephalon. Isthmus rhombencephalon. This is myelencephalon, this part is mesencephalon, and the constriction just caudal to the mesencephalon is known as isthmus rhombencephalon. Now, what is the fate of myelencephalon? The myelencephalon forms the medulla oblongata. This develops into medulla oblongata. And grey matter present in this region, they undergo physiological differentiation to form various nuclei. Likewise, the mesencephalon. The mesencephalon, the ventral part of the mesencephalon forms the pons, and its dorsal part develops into cerebellum. In pons, the grey matter differentiates and forms various nuclei present in the pons. In the cerebellum, the three zones are very clearly visible. The ependymal layer, innermost, then the mental layer, and then the marginal layer. The marginal layer forms the white matter, the mental layer the grey matter, and from this grey matter develops the nuclei of the cerebellum. Now, the cells from the mental layer, they migrate to the marginal layer and form the cerebellar cortex. The isthmus rhombencephalon. Isthmus rhombencephalon forms the superior cerebellar peduncle. Superior cerebellar peduncle. Superior cerebellar peduncle. This also forms superior medullary velum. The superior cerebellar peduncle is a bundle of fiber which connect the midbrain and the cerebellum. A bundle of fiber connecting the midbrain and cerebellum. And medial margins of the superior cerebellar peduncles are connected by a sheet of white matter known as superior medullary velum. The mesencephalic nucleus of the fifth cranial nerve. Mesencephalic nucleus of fifth cranial nerve is also derivative of isthmus rhombencephalon. Now coming to the mesencephalon. The mesencephalon has got a cavity, and the cavity is known as cerebral aqueduct. The part lying something that the basal lamina and the alar lamina, they come to life ventrally. This is the roof plate. This part, the tissue present in this region. This is alar lamina. Medial to it, we get the basal lamina. This is basal lamina. Likewise, on the other side also, this is basal lamina and this part is the alar lamina. And the sulcus present over here, the sulcus present between the basal lamina and the alar lamina, we know is sulcus limitans, and sulcus limitans is now present ventrally. And the sulcus limitans is very clearly visible and the floor of fourth ventricle. And the cavity present over here is the fourth ventricle. This cavity is the fourth ventricle. Fourth ventricle. Now, let us try to see the nuclei present in the basal lamina of the brainstem. Most medially, we get somatic efferent. Somatic efferent nuclei. Somatic efferent. This is somatic efferent. Somatic efferent nuclei, they supply the muscles developing from the somas. And the nuclei are the third nerve nucleus, fourth nerve nucleus, sixth nerve nucleus, and 12th nerve nucleus. Third is oculomotor, fourth trochlear, sixth abducens, and 12th hypoglossal nerve nucleus. Now these two nuclei are present in the region of midbrain. The sixth nerve nucleus is present in pons and the 12th nerve nucleus is present in medulla. These are motor nuclei, and they supply the muscles developing from the somas. Next comes this aggregation of cells is known as special visceral efferent. This is special visceral efferent. This was somatic efferent. This is special visceral efferent. The special visceral efferent is also known as branchiogenic efferent. Branchiogenic efferent. And they supply the muscles developing from the branchial arches. They supply the muscles developing from the branchial arches. And this includes the fifth nerve nucleus, seventh nerve nucleus, and nucleus ambiguous. Fifth nerve nucleus, seventh nerve nucleus, and nucleus ambiguous. The fifth and seventh nerve nuclei, they are present in the region of pons. These two are found in pons, and nucleus ambiguous is present in the medulla. And the fibers emerging from these nuclei, they supply the muscles developing from the branchial arches. The third group, this is the third group, this is known as general visceral efferent. General visceral efferent, this gives out parasympathetic fibers. The nuclei related to the parasympathetic system in cranial nerves are Edingo-Westphal nucleus, Edingo-Westphal nucleus. This is related to third cranial nerve. Then superior salivatory nucleus and lacrimatory nucleus. This is related to seventh cranial nerve. Then comes the inferior salivatory nucleus. This is related to ninth cranial nerve and dorsal nucleus. Dorsal nucleus of vagus. The Edingo-Westphal nucleus is present in the midbrain. The superior salivatory nucleus and lacrimatory nucleus, they are present in the pons, and inferior salivatory and dorsal nucleus of vagus, they are present in the medulla oblongata. Now, there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves, but in 3rd, 7th, 9th and 10th, 3rd, 7th, 9th and 10th, we get parasympathetic fibers. Only 4 cranial nerves will have parasympathetic fibers. Therefore, the basal lamina, the grey matter present in the region of basal lamina, it undergoes physiological differentiation and gives rise to various nuclei, and they are related to somatic efferent component, special visceral efferent or brachiogenic efferent component, and general visceral efferent component. Now coming to the alar lamina. Alar lamina will have general visceral afferent component, general visceral afferent, and this nuclear group receives visceral sensation from the larynx, pharynx, thoracic and abdominal part of GI tract up to the splenic flexure. And the nucleus related to this is known as nucleus of tractus solitarius. Nucleus of tractus solitarius. Nucleus of tractus solitarius. Then comes the special visceral afferent. Special visceral sensation as a taste sensation. taste sensation carried by 7th, 9th and 10th cranial nerves, and they terminate in the nucleus of tractus solitarius. Again, the nucleus of tractus solitarius. Taste sensation. Nucleus of tractus solitarius. Then comes the general somatic afferent. This component is known as general somatic afferent. This is general sensation coming from the skin, and the fibers, this group receives general sensation, and the nuclei related to it are the spinal nucleus, chief sensory nucleus, and mesencephalic nucleus. Mesencephalic nucleus. And all these three nuclei are the nuclei of fifth cranial nerve. Spinal nucleus, chief sensory nucleus and mesencephalic nucleus. They are the sensory nuclei of fifth cranial nerve, and these nuclei, they receive the general and proprioceptive sensation. And then comes the special somatic afferent. Special somatic afferent component is present in 8th cranial nerve, and this is related to the hearing and equilibrium. The nuclei for the hearing sensation are known as cochlear nuclei, and for equilibrium, vestibular nuclei. The cochlear nuclei, they lie lateral to vestibular nuclei. Therefore, the cochlear and vestibular nuclei related to 8th cranial nerve. In this way, when we see the positions of the nuclei present in the brain stem, the motor nuclei, they are medial to the sensory nuclei. In motor nuclei, most medially we get the somatic efferent component, then the granulogenic efferent, and then the general visceral efferent component. And in the outer lamina region, the sensory components are present. The spinal nucleus, chief sensory nucleus, and mesencephalic nucleus, they are nuclei of fifth cranial nerve, and they extend throughout the extent of the midbrain. And the spatial somatic afferent component is present in vestibular and cochlear nuclei. The cochlear nuclei, they lie lateral to the vestibular nuclei. Now, the brain stem, they give rise to cranial nerves, and the 12 pairs of cranial nerves, they contain these 7 types of functional components, but make it clear, none of the cranial nerve will have all these 7 components. This is all for today.